Alright, welcome back all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video is a little different video. It's more about psychology of trading. Most of my channel has just been more of just technical and just showing you how to mark up charts or moving average or profits and losses. But one thing that we really don't search up on YouTube or on businesses or stuff is more like mindset and psychology. If you've been an entrepreneur for a long time, you know how important it is to read books, to educate your brain, your mind, your mindset is one of the most important things in business and basically anything that you do in life. You really want to have the right mindset when you enter a business, a relationship, or a situation in life. Okay, so today's video is a little bit different, but it's about the psychology and what I think about when I'm going through trades or when I enter trades and exit trades. What's exactly going through my mind and how am I able to finally, after 3 years of trading on and off, being able to actually put profits back into my pocket and actually being able to reap the rewards that I've been slaying for day in and day out, staying up late, staying up all-nighters and staying up, waking up early, watching trainings and so on. So let's get to the slides and I'll show you guys the psychology of trading. So with trading itself, I put these in the order of importance, I guess you can say, as close as I can say that they're important into trading. So like I said, this is my trading psychology and mindset. Of course, people trade differently. Even the strategies are different, but this is my trading psychology and mindset. I've been trading for a little bit over 3 years now. Trade-wise, trades, I've taken probably over thousands of trades, but then over 500 trades of the strategy that has made me profitable to put money in my pocket. And over 15,000, not 15,000, 50% gain on my live account. Basically under 6 months of actual strict trading. So it's not that much, but they said if you can beat the S&P 500 in any percentage, then you're a great trader. I'm not saying I'm a great trader because I'm not able to live off my income of trading yet, but that's my goal and that's the journey of this channel. And as you can see from the previous videos, I have made some withdrawals, which I've never done in my career of trading. So I'm really proud of that. But then I'll show you guys my mindset of trading, okay? So, like Tony Robbins said, success is 80% psychology, 20% skill. And this goes for anything in life, basically. It's more about your mindset, and then if you have the right mindset into whatever you're doing, as when you learn the skills and you believe you can do it, as long as you keep going and don't quit, you'll be able to reach it. So I said this before in other videos, but only risk what you're willing to lose. In the beginning, when I deposited the 12,600, it seemed like I was, um, at the moment, I was so confident that I put that much in. Not that the strategy doesn't work, but if I did have 3 losing streaks, it is going to be very devastating. So that's why I went back, and when I lost the first 3,000, I withdrew 5,000, only put 4,500, basically $3,000 left in my account. Because if I do lose 3,000, it's not as painful, and at least I can still have more capital to repeat the process multiple times over, instead of losing $9,000. Okay, so risk what you're willing to lose. After you lose it, it doesn't affect your life. You can still pay all your bills, and it doesn't change your life at all. Okay, that's the money that you should be risking. Okay, nothing more than that. When I enter a trade, I like to set and forget, no emotions. You cannot alter the trade at all. If you guys saw my previous videos, every trade I entered, it either hit take profit or stop loss. There's no such, for me, my trading, there's no such thing as doing half take profits or partial profits. No such thing as, oh, it broke the structure, now it's not true. No, whatever I observed when I first look at the chart, I put my stop loss, I put my take profit, and that's it. If it's locked in and I can't touch it, that's how I trade. That's how you have no emotions. That's how you're able to have great risk reward, and it's consistent with your trading plan. Okay, because let's say you enter a trade, of course it breaks structure a little bit, but then you know what? You gotta stay consistent and just let it keep going. Okay, this is what I do. I don't know about other traders. Of course, other traders are different, but like I said, today's video is about how my psychology and mindset is with trading. And not only that, but when you do it this way, it's less stress on you. You don't, like, let's say you do have a 9 to 5. I don't have a 9 to 5, but if you're sleeping at night, like you're able to sleep throughout the whole night, not worrying. Okay, I'm gonna wake up like in a couple hours, come check if I need to alter my trade. I sleep through the night peacefully. I have an alert on my phone, FX alerts, and if it goes off, okay, cool, hit profit. If not, I know that the trade is still running. Even if I look at it, I can't even touch it, so there's no point of me looking at it. So set forget, it has peace of mind, no emotions, and it's able to keep your risk reward basically very consistent, and that's what I love about it. Be disciplined, strict on your rules. Don't enter trade if it's not 100% following your rules. So be strict on your rules. Whatever rules that you have set for your trade, there's no if, and, or buts about it. If it's past whatever resistance level zone that you have, or let's just say if you trade with the RSI or the stochastic indicators or whatever indicators you use, if it's not, it's either a yes or no. When you go through your checklist of your what do you call it? Your checklist of your rules or requirements before you enter a trade. If there's ever a no in there, there's no, oh, it's close enough. There's none of that. It's either yes or no. Okay, so when I trade, it's either yes or no. That's how you be strict on your rules. So right when it's a no, let's say it passed the moving average that I wanted on, I don't know, M15, I'm gonna just say no, next pair. Like I'm not, no if, and, or buts with that, right? So the thing too though, after you lose a trade, if you have any regrets at all, you should have never entered that trade in the beginning. So every trade that I enter now, of course, like 95% of the time, I'm strict. Like I would even say 98% of the time is strict because I'm just tired of losing. I've been losing for years and years that it is not even worth it to have a regret. Oh man, I should have just not took the trade. I hate that regret, and that's why basically I never enter a trade if it doesn't follow my rules 100%. So like I said, if you lose that trade and you have any regrets of you should have never entered that trade, then you shouldn't have entered it. One thing I did do too is I had a notepad and I had all my rules on there. And for rule 1, 2, 3, whatever rules you have, and then you flip it. If it's ever a no, then just don't enter that trade, and that's what I did. But I've been trading this for so long that I just go through it in my mind, and I just go through it that way. Confidence, all right? So you want to have confidence in your trades before you ever put a dollar into the market. You want to trade on demo until you can double your account using proper risk management. What I mean by proper risk management, let's say you have $1,000 demo account, and you go one trade, and you make $1,000 in one trade, but you only went for like 5 pips, and you cannot just go to a live account because you don't want to gamble your money. You don't want to base it on luck. You want to do it on statistics, large sample size, and following your rules. Okay, so when you double your account, make sure you're following all your rules, using the correct proper risk management, not doubling your account in one trade, and then at least 100 trades with your strategy to find out that it is a big enough sample size to show that it is a profitable strategy. Because if you just do 10 trades, yeah, you can win. You can even win 10 trades in a row. But what if out of 100 trades you're not a profitable trader? What is the rush to even put in money into the strategy? Because I'm not saying that it wouldn't work, but the likelihood of it not working is higher. So at least 100 trades and being able to double your account with proper risk management before ever even putting money into your account, right? So that's how you build confidence. That's how you sleep peacefully at night, not need to wake up and check your phones or whatever, your computer. And then when I trade, like I always said, I like to think in terms of risk to reward and percentage gain. So risk R is a risk to reward, right? So a lot of people, they'll talk about, oh, I won $100, $200. Yes, you did win that money, but if you think about R's, let's say you're risking $1,000 to make $100, or you're risking $100 to make $100. You want to stay consistent on that. Okay, if you haven't seen my video on how to calculate your lot sizes correctly, every pair lot sizes 0.10 is $1 on like EU or USD pairs, but then when you go to JPY pairs, 0.10 could be more or less than $1. Okay, so that's why if you haven't seen that video, go check out the video so you know how to correctly put your lot sizes. You cannot just put the same lot size for every pair, because then in terms of R, which is your risk reward, it's not going to be correct. All right, so you want to be up in R's at the end of the months, at the end of the days, at the end of the years, basically, in order to find out if you're a profitable trader. Because even if you are up in pips, but then you're using the exact same lot size, like I said, different pairs has different values on it. It's not going to be significant, but for me, I like it to be straightforward. So next is percentage gain. That's why in the beginning I put in 50% because I want to be able to scale it. If you had $1,000 account, 50%, let's make it easy. 10% is just $100. 10,000 is 1,000. 100K is 10K. Okay, so when you look at it like that, you can keep everything the same. Your trading, everything the same. Your emotions, everything the same. Your emotions might be a little different because your account size is bigger, but then if you do exactly everything the same, slowly build up your account, then you'll be able to scale up your account because you're just thinking about percentage. Okay, so this allows you to scale. I wouldn't say without emotions, but with confidence. It will be able to allow you to scale with confidence. So make sure your account can at least handle 3 trades or more. The more, the better, of course. So you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket and keep checking on it. If you have multiple trades running, even if one's going to the negative, at least you have another one in the positive. Or sometimes, of course, all be negative, sometimes be all positive. But at least you'll be able to look at multiple trades, and you're not just so stuck to one trade, one position. So for me, I like to at least do this too. So like if I do have um, multiple trades open, I can review multiple trades. But like I said, I'm not going to alter them. But at least I have more things to look at instead of just looking at one. And yeah, so this is the last slide, I believe. Yeah, so losing is part of trading. Let your odds play out. Don't quit. All right, so if you already did 100 trades and you know that's profitable, if you go live, you go 10 trades, and you lose, keep going. Keep going to that 90 more trades, hit 100 because you already proved to yourself that it's a profitable strategy. So why are you going to quit just because right when you went live that you lost, okay, let's say you lost 2, 3 trades in a row, but let your odds play out. Don't quit. I fell victim to this multiple times. Like I told you guys, when I lost that $3,000, I I knew I didn't quit. I just stopped. I just like it was just a setback, but I knew I didn't want to quit. So I'm okay. I'm just gonna take out some money and then do it on a lower account balance so that even if I lose a little bit, I'm not so worried or so devastated. Okay, so losing is part of trading. Let your odds play out. If you follow all these rules above, I'm not I'm not gonna guarantee anything, but this is what made me being able to withdraw money after 3 years of trading, and I can't wait to keep trading and seeing where this journey goes. My goal was actually 100K by the end of 2021. But you know what? Like they said, you rather set a bigger goal and hit the lower target than set a low goal and hit that target. So yeah, so thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be coming with more videos again. It's been a tough couple months, up and down, but I'm finally back, and hopefully stay consistent so I can keep bringing you guys value, helping you guys trade, hopefully becoming a profitable trader, and maybe even quit your job and trade full time. So thank you guys all for watching.